So hey guys, what's up? How are you all? I hope you all are doing great. So welcome back in again consistent video. And as you know that I always record my video for my daily consistency because I want to be a fluent English speaker in future. So that's why I'm always try to record my video and try to talk about my journey and try to talk about here and there because I want to learn this language. So that's why I'm not scripting my video, because if I it's my thought, if I'm scripting my video and if I'm talking in front of camera with the help of a script, then I will not able to learn this language what I want to get. So that's why I'm always try to talk about here and there and try to learn this language whenever I have to talk with in front of any people. So I will able to that time to talk without hesitating, without overthinking, without hesitation, without fumbling. So I want to get that fluency. So that's why I'm always trying my best to record my video and try to talk about an English language. And basically, I am really succeeded in that way, and really day by day I am growing because I know that it's a very tough for me. But yeah, I will grow one day and I will learn this language perfectly because I want to learn this language because I know that if you learn this language, you get a many type of benefits. You totally change your character, totally change your way of talking, you the way of your thinking power. So that type of all the thing will happen when you get the fluency. So that's why I'm always try to record my video. I try to be fluent because it's a really dream for me to record, not record, to learn this language perfectly. So that's why I'm always try to record and upload the videos on a YouTube channel. Basically, it's a very powerful thing if you are doing, if you are recording your video and uploading on a YouTube channel. So you will get many things, means you will learn many things. Means first of all you will learn the fluency, you will what you really want to dream. Like me, I am recording my video not for views, but but yes, for my English fluency. I want to capable in front of any people to talk in English. So that's why I'm always try to record my video and try to upload on a YouTube channel. But the people supports me right now and people wants to just know that how you will learning this language. So that's why I'm always suggesting the simple thing. If you really want to learn this language perfectly fluently, then you have to talk as much as you can. But yeah, if you are not capable to talk many times, much time you are not able to give in that particular language, though, then you have to maintain your consistency. I'm not saying you have to record for 30 minutes, 40 minutes, but yeah, at least you have to talk constantly without missing a single day. It's a very important thing. If you are doing that type of thing, you will learn the fluency, you will get the fluency, and you will get many more things. So this is a very important thing. If you are doing same thing again and again, I know this is a very boring thing. If you are doing on the time, you will not get a fluency at first, but yeah, day by day you feel better. Like me, I have been doing that for a year, 1 year, so I know that what is the benefit of that, and what is the language benefit, why I started this journey, and why I know that. Because I know that because I am doing same thing again and again. It's very boring for me, sometimes it's feel difficulty for me, but yeah, it's a habitual of mine right now. And I'm okay, I'm able to talk in front of people. Basically, I'm not saying I'm so much learned and I'm a so fluent English speaker, but yeah, I want to say here, if I am talking in front of any people, I'm capable to talk in front of any people. I'm so confident that time, yeah, I'm okay and I'm talking confidently. So that is a very big deal. That is a very big point for me to record video, and it's not all about happen. Just help with my camera and just I'm recording my video. That's helped me a lot. So that's why I'm always suggesting you, if you really want to grow, if you really want to learn this language, then you have to talk as much as you can. It's give you a lot of benefit. Trust me, because I will really benefited by that thing. So that's why I'm always suggesting you. I'm not suggest you a single thing which is beyond my experience, and I'm not experiencing that because I want to give you a certain thing. Yeah, I know my video is boring, and I'm not doing that thing for my views, because I want to only join my YouTube channel because I want to just structurize my records. Means I want to record my videos, and it's not possible in my storage because I'm not able to afford that type of storage. But yeah, I just afford 5G net. So that's why I'm uploading my videos on a YouTube channels, because I want to record my video and I want to just show the video where I was and where I am right now. So that's why I'm always try to record, try to explain the journey, try to learn this language. And basically it's give me a lot of benefit. It will give me what I really want to learn. So that's why it's really very benefit, and I'm always saying you loudly, you have to learn this language. Basically it will change your character, it will the change the thinking of the other people about you. So that is a very important thing, and that's why I'm always suggesting you, you have to learn this language as soon as possible. And one more thing is that it's a bitter truth, if you started your journey right now, it's take a lot of time, because you are not able to give a lot of time in that, because lot of works you have, peoples have. So you have to give at least at 1.5 years to able to talk and articulate your thoughts in English. But that time you also make a lot of mistakes, so that's why I'm always suggesting you. And one thing is more, if you are giving a lot of time, if you are able to give a lot of certain amount of time, then you will learn as soon as possible, because you are making lot of mistake in a day. If you are talking, then you are able to rectify the mistake a lot of time, so you will learn easily, very confidently, very easily, basically very easily. So that's why I'm always suggesting you, if you want to learn this language, start right now your journey, because it's take a time. And how you have to start recording yourself, whether you are making a lot of mistakes, whether you are not able to talk in English a single structure, you have to start, you have to open your camera, you have to record. That is a very easiest thing you can do it, but no one wants to do it. Basically it doesn't take a money, single penny. But I don't know why the people is not aware of the consequences of this thing. So that's why I'm always suggesting you, if you really want to talk, if you really want to learn this language, then you have to talk, you have to learn as soon as possible. Because if you are not talking, you are missing something. If you are not learning this language, you are missing something. Then I always suggest you, please learn it, because it's a worldwide language and it's a secondary language of India. That's why I'm always suggesting you, learn it as soon as possible. If you are learning, you will get a much more benefit, you will get a appreciation with the other people. Why I'm saying, and I'm not a fluent English speaker, I'm making a lot of mistake, but yeah, right now I'm getting the appreciations, getting the respect from the other people. So that's why I'm suggesting you, you have to do it. Basically what will happen, when you are just starting your journey, it will take a 1 year, and after 1 year you will get the fluency something. And if whenever you are talking in front of any people, it's automatically you generate a words. Whenever you are talking in front of people, you are not talking a full structure, you will not talking a whole language in English, but you are capable to talk single words, some structures. Then it will give the ultimate experience for you. And that the people really thought he is a well educated and intellectual person. So that's why I'm always suggesting you, please talk in as soon as possible, and talk a lot in English. Whether you are talking with a wall, whether you're talking with a mirror, but talk it, it is really necessary. And my final advice is that if you're talking in front of camera, it will give a lot of benefit, because if you are talking in front of camera, you will learn fluency, you will learn how to record your videos, how to present in front of camera. And you will learn the confident, if you are talking with yourself, basically you will learn a confident. And if you're recording a video, then it's normal, you are uploading on a YouTube channel, any social media application, then if you're lucky, then it's really going to be a viral video. So you will get many benefit with recording a single video all the day. I'm not saying you have to record for 10 minutes like me, but if you are not capable, record for a 5 minutes, it's very necessary. And I always suggest you, it's a very important thing, it's a very important language, so you have to learn this language as soon as possible, because it will give you a lot of benefit in future. You will get lot of, trust me, you will get a lot of benefit in future, because I know that I am not, I'm ready 25% in English. I know that I'm capable in front of any person to articulate my words in English. But the thing is that I will get appreciation in a 25%. So think about it. Whenever I ready for a 90%, because 100% is not any person, all person may make a lot of mistakes. So I am saying that if I am 80% done, has been done, if I will 90%, 95% will be done, what will happen, there's a magic will be happen. It's my pure believeness, I know that. So that's why I'm always suggesting you, please do it. for a year, 2 year, and you will see the result what will happen. So I hope this video is really helpful for you, and don't afraid of mistake, and I will suggest you what's the benefit of mistake in my next video. So take care of your family, take care of yourself. See you in the next video. And if I made any mistake in this video, please pardon me, because I'm also a beginner. I'm not a beginner, I'm a learner, and I'm learning. And what you thought, what your thoughts in that matter, so let me know in your comment section. I'll really wait for it. So see you in the next video. Take care of yourself and family. Bye.